So I have a secret. I actually cancelled Loom for this super incredible video recording and editing AI tool called Tella. As a content creator, I would say that Tella has everything I need to create the perfect video. It has multiple functions, everything from layout, background colors, adding subtitles, all the way to being able to record individual clips. So as you can see right here, you can click the record button to hit record, and you can even select from an existing video clip or upload one of your files just like this one. And what I love most about it is that I don't have to record a single clip in one go. In fact, if you see here, I can record many short form clips and stitch them together. Super powerful stuff. And this layout feature is the absolute bomb. Imagine being able to quickly lay out whatever content you have in different modes for portrait, square, landscape, and of course the wide aspect ratio. Sometimes there are awkward silences, okay? When I record videos, I have many awkward silences and buffers. So it's very cool that Tella has this trim function where I can easily remove buffers, silences, filler words, and edit my transcript. It was so good that I can't help telling you about Tella today. Check it out!